Hey everybody, it is Friday, January 29th, and we are practicing two-step inequalities again. So in Google Classroom, you will see two worksheets. One is an easier worksheet solving two-step. The second one is a more difficult one, and you are skipping number 6 on the more difficult one. But the reason these are more difficult is because you got positives, negatives, and also they put the negatives or the variables on the right side, which throws people off a lot. So I'm going to do number 2 for you here. So we make our t-chart. We get rid of the 11 by subtracting 11. Remember, we do the inverse operations. 17 minus 11 then is 6. And that is, we still got the less than or equals to symbol. And we got x over 2. So what we have to do now is to get rid of the division by multiplying both sides by 2. And it is x on the right. That symbol stays the same, and it is 12. Okay. We read this from the variable to the number. So this is read, x is greater than 12. Now that's going to confuse people because I've always said that's a less than symbol. But in order to graph it, you got to know what the x is. So we read it from the x to the number. That gets confusing as well. So what I always tell people is just to flip it all around. So if I move the x to the right and the 12 to the right, I still got to have my inequality symbol opening towards the x. So I flip that as well. Now that my variable is first, it makes it so much easier. X is greater than or equals to 12. So then I come over here to 12. 12 is going to be right here. And I put a closed circle because it is or equals to 12. So 12 is part of my solution. It's greater than, so I shade that direction. Okay. Then what I do is I scroll down to the bottom and I look at the answer, and there's my answer. All right. But I need to see the work, the t-charts, what you're doing to solve them. All right. Take a picture of it and send it back to me so you can get credit for this. And then we will be good to go. If you got questions, we meet on Tuesday. That will be February 2nd. We can meet at 1:30 and discuss what's given us troubles before we have our second quest, the second part of the Topic 5 test next Friday, February 5th. All right, have a good one, everybody.